Hello friends, this is Joshua Ignited. Thank you for watching this video. Today we have a lot to talk about. Hurricane Jerry is moving at 18 miles per hour and is a Cat 1 at 80 miles per hour. It is going to turn north very soon, but it is also going to be a tropical storm tomorrow afternoon. It's going to go over Bermuda, so Bermuda will have its second threat in the last 2 weeks. There's also some more threats out in the Atlantic. We have this one coming off the coast of Africa, which we'll talk about that one in a minute. And this one looks like it's going to follow Jerry as it moves north. And this one will very soon to dissipate. So we're going to look at some of the models. You have Hurricane Jerry right here. Now also be watching right here because you'll see that other storm come right off the coast. Here it is. So it starts forming. This one is just about to go over Bermuda. It just goes over it. This one goes right in almost in the same path and then heads north. So it's going to be a threat to Great Britain in the next week or two. Now we'll go over to the East Pacific. Hurricane LAVONIA is moving right across the Baja Peninsula. It's right now stationary, but it's at 85 miles per hour. It should make landfall tonight, and it will move over the Baja Peninsula. Some are saying that it could go out into the ocean by California and could become a hurricane, which there's an article on Zero Hedge that says, is California about to get hit by a hurricane for the very first time in history? Well, we'll put this in the description so you can read it for yourself. A very good article. Now let's look at some of the models for LAVONIA. As you can see, it's right here. It's moving across and then it churns. This is the American model, and it shows it going into New Mexico, Texas, Arizona area. But also, as you can see, we might have a blizzard in the next couple days or week that is going to affect this whole area, Utah, Wyoming, and Colorado. And then it will head north. So this is another threat to be looking at. So a lot's going on in the next week or two. I don't know if you guys saw it, but 3 days ago, tropical storm made landfall in Texas. It dumped more than 40 inches of rain in Texas. This is crazy. One of the maps, which I was very shocked by it said that Tropical Storm Amelia, it formed as a tropical depression at 12 on September 17th. It became a tropical storm at 12:45. So 45 minutes later, it becomes a tropical storm, and it makes landfall at 1 p.m., 15 minutes later. There's no time to prepare for that. I don't even think some of these people were even prepared because, you get an hour before the storm makes landfall. That's crazy for Texas, and we're praying for Texas. But this is a sign of judgment for the United States. We'll look at some of the pictures. This bridge was destroyed. It's just very sad that nobody was prepared for this. This is horrible for Texas and that area. I mean, just destroyed over a storm that makes landfall in 15 minutes. It forms at 12:45 as a tropical storm and then makes landfall in 15 minutes later. The other thing about the storm is it dropped 40 inches of rain. Hurricane Harvey did that in 4 days. This storm did it in 2. So a very wet storm for Texas. We will be putting this in the description, a link, and we'll see you in the next video.